Islamic teachings. 1. Don't insult. 2. Don't waste. 3. Feed the poor. 4. Don't backbite. 5. Keep your oaths. 6. Don't take bribes. 7. Honor your treaties. 8. Restrain your anger. 9. Don't spread gossip. 10. Think good of others. 11. Be good to guests. 12. Don't harm believers. 13. Don't be rude to parents. 14. Turn away from ill speech. 15. Don't make fun of others. 16. Walk in a humble manner. 17. Respond to evil with good. 18. Don't say what you don't do. 19. Keep your trusts and promises. 20. Don't insult others' false gods. 21. Don't deceive people in trade. 22. Don't take items without right. 23. Don't ask unnecessary questions. 24. Don't be miserly nor extravagant. 25. Don't call others with bad names. 26. Don't claim yourselves to be pure. 27. Speak nicely even to the ignorant. 28. Don't ask for repayment for favors. 29. Make room for others at gatherings. 30. If enemy wants peace, then accept it. 31. Return a greeting in a better manner. 32. Don't remind others of the favors you done to them. Please subscribe to our channel for latest videos.